good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled roofing contractors, Philadelphia, PA. And this area right here is what's called the map pack. And the top 4 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. Now, the way you can get yourself into these top 4 is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, just making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now, the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 or 4 so that people can find you. So I pulled up your website and just going over a couple of things here real quick. The main thing that you want to do with your website is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. Now, the first reason is that if your competitors will say are going to have about 1,000 words on their homepage, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. Now, the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have an opportunity for keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So, for example, how I Googled roofing contractors in Pennsylvania, in Philadelphia, PA, then it's going to become relevant for that search, and Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help your website rank. So I wanted to take a look, I wanted to kind of touch on one of the competitors in the area just to kind of see what you're up against, and pulled up Union Roofing real quick. And just wanted to go over a couple of things here. And the first thing I want to talk about was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. Now, the UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and the DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is. And the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. Now, one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. Now, all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can click on the ones they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. So lastly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I had mentioned previously. So just kind of pulling up some information and taking a look at the volume column is going to tell us how many times in a month that potential customers are looking for specific keywords, okay? So just kind of going off real quick here and taking a look at some things. We've got roof repair specialist near me. There's 70 people that search for that. Philadelphia roofing companies, 100 people looking for that in a month. Roofing companies in Philadelphia, 300 people looking for that. Roofing contractors in Philadelphia, 200. Roofing companies, Philadelphia, 300. Roofing contractor, Philadelphia, 200. 350. So these are a lot of really good opportunities for keywords in your content. And it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for those terms, the more people are going to find you. And the more people are going to call, and in turn, the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great day.